Imagine it's a nice day. You have earned that thing which you have worked hard for the last couple of months. Being happy and excited, you post it on social media. Suddenly, you get the sound of notification and rush to see the praises. Then you see a comment saying, "Oh, what a show off, lol." There, you got a troll harassing you. Nowadays, in the age of social media, when we live and breathe in technology, troll culture is a part of the otherwise vibrant internet communities. Now, you may ask why. To understand that, we have to dig deeper. Who are these trolls? A troll is a person who posts abusive, insulting, inflammatory, or off-topic messages in an online community. But as we proceed, we need to divide the vast sea of trolls into two groups. One, who are serious trolls, the others who are trolls by mistake. First, we will take a quick look inside the mind of a serious troll. These are corrupt, inferiority complex driven people who show characteristics of dark tetrad. Dark tetrad is a combination of 4 personality traits. Those are psychopathy, Machiavellianism, narcissism, and sadism. Psychopathy. This is generally perceived as continuous antisocial behavior, selfishness, unemotional traits, and remorselessness. Machiavellianism. This is the habit of manipulation and exploitation of others, an absence of morality, and a higher level of self-interest. Narcissism. This is the feeling of pride, grandiosity, egotism, and a lack of empathy. Fourth and last point, sadism, which is cruel or demeaning behavior to others in order to assert dominance or other reason. A serious troll fulfills at least 3 out of these 4 features. Clearly, these kind of people are rare, but there are a lot of other trolls who are present in every media and practically ruin everyone's day using their rude existence. So here are the second category trolls. These are the people who think they are the best. They are flying the flag of truth and justice. They assume they know everything and try to establish their racial supremacy, gender superiority, and uphold ultra-nationalist ideas. And yes, these are the common trolls whom we see every day. Let's analyze their thought process now. You may consider a common troll is a mixture of 3 ingredients: misguided self-righteousness, jealousy, and inferiority complex. These otherwise separate emotions influence a troll to spread hatred all over the internet. In every discussion, creative works, comments and replies. Let me elaborate. Self-righteousness. When such people get opposed against their fixed point of view, they don't pause and think for a blink of an eye. Within a split second, they decide, someone is wrong today. And here comes a strong sense of self-righteousness. They start spewing offensive, hateful comments, use name calling, bring personal insults, and what not. Jealousy. These people get extremely jealous about others who are successful and have earned their places by the sheer dint of hard work. Out of their jealousy, trolls, often in swarms, start personal insults on a specific person, going into character dissection, questioning their hard-earned credibility. These behaviors nowadays are way too common to ignore and often hurt people really bad. But the jealous trolls do not realize it at all. Inferiority complex. Trolls suffer from inferiority complexes coming from their seemingly high achieving peers and success of others. They, out of their idiocy and inferiority complex, start framing a high ground from some different angle. They start insulting and hurling abuses, demean others. And just like our first example, they comment, "What a show off, lol." Last but not the least, the troll culture is contagious. A person who gets trolled can absorb all these characteristics and can become a potential troll later. So we have to take care of our own nature and have to save ourselves from ruining our days and others' lives too. Let's not forget, darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. To know how, stay tuned for our next episode on trolling. Please subscribe to our channel if you are not our subscriber already and press the bell icon for more notifications. If you are our subscriber, like, share and comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.